ताड माडा कडलें सुमार 12 मीटर सिवरेज पायपलायन घालपाचें काम उरलां. थंय आशिल्ल्या सिवेज आनी गॅस पायपलायनीक लागून हें काम आडकून उरलां. तें काम 31 मे मेरेन पुराय जातलें. एजी देविदास पांगम सांगता.
Smart city matter has been kept now on Wednesday because we have given a chart and we have given the progress of the work. Basically, substantial work is completed. There is a stretch of work at Tadmad. There, around 12 meters of the work of laying of sewerage pipeline has been affected, and there is a delay because there is one parallel sewerage line that is passing, and there is one gas pipeline that is passing. That has made the work very, very delicate. So it is taking some time. But as far as that stretch is concerned, that will be complete in all respect by the month of May. But only 12 meters that pipeline which is, or that sewerage line which has to be put, that will be done immediately, but rest of the work it will take some time. So that is where there is some delay in carrying out the work. There are another one or two places where there is a delay, but by and large we have been able to now complete the work of the roads. As far as other matters are concerned, like laying of footpath, like beautification, that we have time up to 31st of May, and the court has now directed the petitioners to give their say on the chart which we have given, and for that purpose the matter is fixed on next Wednesday.
Yes.
As far as access to the road are concerned, except for this Tadmad area, I think most of the roads are open now. Maybe that as far as beautification and laying of footpath etc. is concerned, that remains to be done, and that we have time up to 31st.
प्रुडंटा खातीर सिनियर रिपोर्टर मुकेश कुमार.